Hey Journey More, today I'm going to be teaching you how to build a fire in the snow. Before we get started, if you're not already a subscriber, this is the perfect place for outdoor adventurers, hikers, and backpackers. So be sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and let's go.
Hey now, take a step outside and seize the day now.
Building a fire in the snow is not much different. And in this video, I'm not going to teach you how to build an actual fire from start to finish. If you want to see that, we've got a couple of videos that go over some different methods of how to do that. We'll link those up here, and then we'll also link them at the end of the video so you can check those out. In this video, I want to focus on 3 steps or tips that you're going to have to do in order to make your fire work and last in the snow. First step is you've got to create a base. If you can dig down in the snow deep enough to get to the ground, you can build your fire there just like normal and it'll work. But if the snow is too deep, then what you're gonna have to do is brush off some of that top snow and then pat it down as much as you can to make a solid base. And then the second step is you've gotta make a raft. So I've got 4 logs here. These are more green, they're solid throughout, they're not rotten. The reason I want them like that is because they've gotta last a while. This fire's gonna burn, it's gonna burn what's underneath it as well. And so I want this to last a long time because when this gets to the snow, it's gonna start to melt the snow and then that water can put the fire out. So building a raft and putting your fire on top of it is imperative. And then your third step, or more of a tip, is you've gotta have more sticks, kindling, and logs than normal because you want to be able to continuously add and build this bigger. So for this here, I've done the log cabin method. And one thing that I do is I always carry dryer lint with me. So I collect the lint out of the dryer, I put it in a Ziploc baggie, and so if I'm backpacking or if I'm just doing a day hike, whatever that is, I'm gonna keep that lint on me. That way I've got a really easy fire starter to use. So I've got that in my log cabin here. I've also got some bark from a cedar tree. This stuff is very thin, it's very flammable. So again, I want a lot of that little stuff that's very flammable. I want to build the base of my fire very well because I want that first match to work. I want it to grow very easily. That way I can continue to add sticks and then eventually logs and really build this up to keep me warm and then be able to cook on. And there you go. So then from here, just keep adding, keep it going. And that's gonna work like a charm every time. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like it, subscribe to the channel. Let us know in the comments down below if you've got any more tips for building a fire in the snow. Come journey more with us, and we'll see you next time.